Welcome to 99minds, the platform to manage omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we'll dive into how to sync store credit between BigCommerce and 99minds. To get started, make sure you're logged in and have landed on the dashboard screen. You'll notice the Integration tab there. Go ahead and click on the Integration tab and make sure that BigCommerce is already installed. Once confirmed, click on the Manage button. You'll find a specific setting awaiting your attention. The key setting here is Sync Store Credit. You'll want to ensure this setting is enabled. In fact, it's already enabled. With this setting active, syncing store credit between 99minds and BigCommerce is possible. Let's take a practical example. We'll use a customer. Let's call them John Doe. Let's check John Doe's store credit. Currently, it's set to 1 in BigCommerce's admin section. Navigate to the Customer tab and search for John Doe. You'll see their details pop up. John Doe currently has a store credit of 1. Let's change that to 12 and make sure to hit Save. Next, let's verify this change on 99minds as well. Initially, the store credit there is still 1. Simply refresh your browser. The updated store credit should now be reflected as 12. When checking the transaction details, you'll see a reload of $11, adjusting the current balance to $12. And that's how you sync store credit between BigCommerce and 99minds. Thanks for watching.